Hello everyone, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn about pair of linear equations in two variables. Without further ado, let us start our class. So, what do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation has the variable with power 1. As you can see here, an example given 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. How many variables are there? 2x plus 3y. That means x is one variable, y is another variable, x and y. So there are two variables. Linear equation means the equation which has the highest degree as 1. You can see the power of x is 1 and the power of y is also 1. So highest power is 1. So such equations are called as linear equations, and it has two variables, so it is a linear equation of two variables. So why do we call it as pair, or when do we call it as pair of linear equation? So as you all know that pair means anything which are in twos. You can see two equations here. The general form of two equations are given, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Consider it as equation 2. Let me recall that why do we call it as equation. So you can see here the equals. So anything which has LHS is equal to RHS, this type of statements we call as equation which has equal sign. Okay, so a pair of linear equation. Why do we call it as pair? Because two equations are there, and two equation with same variables. Can you see the variables xy and xy? Got it? Let us move to the next one. Here is an example. Mm, Sorry, ignore this example. Let me give you an example for you. So you can see 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider this as one equation. Can you see two variables here, x and y? So one more equation will be 4x, example, plus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. You can see x and y. Both equation has same variables. Coefficient might be different, that doesn't matter, but the variables are same, and the variable has its degree as 1 as its highest degree. So these are pair of linear equations. So to find solutions of a pair of linear equations, we have different methods. The prominent methods are graphical method, substitution method, and elimination method. So in our next class, let us go in detail how to solve with graphical method. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.